Good morning guys and welcome to my channel. Today is the 3rd of April, Johnny?
Yes.
Yes, 2022. And today guys, we're going to Kmart to buy some ring light for my business. Guys, this is serious. My business is serious, man. So if you're here in Australia, please check my shop soon, guys. It will be open soon. Open for business in Australia. For now, I will be only sending it to Australia wide because I don't know the drill yet. This is this is the start. I need to know the drill. Johnny boy?
Yep.
And I'm testing the waters. Good morning, Johnny.
Well, good morning to you. Top of the morning.
Are you top of the morning?
Always top of the morning.
Yeah. Johnny's crazy, guys. So, pupunta tayo sa Kmart. I'm so excited with yung mga order ko na mga clothes, guys. I'm so excited to see because baka hindi ko itinda yun. Akin na yun lahat. Nako. Magnegosyo tayo, guys. Kasi wala tayong ginawa dito sa bahay. Magnegosyo na lang tayo. Dito lang naman sa bahay gagawin. So, why not, no? Baka may bibili. Bili kayo, guys, ha? Bili kayo sa aking tinda. May page pala ako, guys. Atemilesdiary Collection. Ang pangalan ng aking future online shop. Sana mag-work to, guys. We'll see. We will try, guys, to see if it works than not trying. Okay, let's go, Johnny boy.
Let's go, Jojo.
Let's go, guys. Guys, we're in Kmart now. Kmart. I saw it before. No, before that. Oh, here, darling. There. Selfie ring. Only one.
Which one? That's an 18-inch one.
Oh, that's an 8-inch. There's no 10. It's an 8 and 18.
How much is the 18? So the 8-inch is 24, eh?
So 18 inches, how much? Why?
Have a look at it first. 18 inches, well, that'll do you, don't it?
Yeah.
3 light modes.
How much that one?
Super bright. Adjustable color, temperature and brightness from warm to cool. Dimming range from 0 to 100%.
Yeah, I can get that.
Wireless Bluetooth remote.
Oh yeah.
Oh, to control your phone for taking selfies.
Ah, that's for selfies. Yeah, I will get a price check, darling.
Yeah, I'm just finding where there's the back.
We're home, guys. I will show you what I bought in Kmart. Mag-haul tayo, guys. Itong notebook para sa aking record sa expenses. And I bought roller. This one is in Kmart, but this one is in Price Plus. Para is kuan ba guys? Kana guys, isulat og line. Para pang line ba? I feel like I'm going back to school. Roller and a book, notebook. And this one, the selfie. Tagilid mo guys. Selfie. Ring light. It's a ring light. This is 10 inches selfie ring light pack.
Very hard to find.
Yeah, it was hard to find. We found the 18 inches one. And Johnny's been holding it for a while. Roaming around in there because that's the one we're buying. And then Johnny stumbled in this one and we changed it to the 10 inches one because it's cheaper. Half the price, Johnny?
That's slightly under half.
Yeah, but this one is $29 guys, and the 18 inches is $65?
Yep.
$65, but this one is cheaper, so we get this one. If this one doesn't work, then we'll get the other one. So is it?
See how it goes.
Yeah, see how it goes. When they return product in here is very easy. No hassle. So that's the one. We set up natin today guys, and I think I will assemble the garment rack. Takilit mo guys try. And then we went to Reject shop.
Reject.
I bought this toothbrush hold case and soap holder because we're planning to travel again.
I was going to return Marianne at the Reject shop. Of course, it was unsatisfactory service, but they said, "Have you got the docket?" And I said, "No. I've had it that long, I've lost the docket." They said, "Well, we can't take it back."
Am I Reject, Johnny? Johnny's speechless.
The jury is still out.
So yeah, we're planning to travel again, so I've been thinking of buying this for a long time now. Now I got it. So that's all I bought, and Johnny bought some gift for his granddaughter for the birthday tomorrow, and some toothpaste for the house. So that's it. That's all our shopping today. So mag-assemble tayo ng ring light guys. Okay guys, mag-assemble na tayo. Dito ako sa office. Sa salog. Sa salog. Ito guys. Oh. Yan. Oh. Ang liit. Ang liit guys. At saka may cord dito, USB. And ano to, may bag. Ano ang nandito sa bag. Lagi so cute. Ano kaya nandito? Meron ano guys. Ito oh, reflection show. Reflection. Ano ba guys oh? Wow! Wala, paano ba ito ibalik guys? Reflection show. Kung magkuhan ba guys, mag picture mo. This is very good. Paano man yun? Paano man yun ibalik? Hindi ko alam. Hindi na pabalik guys. Saan natin ipag-ulit sa tindahan? Hindi na ko kabalo. Bata, diha. Dayo, ito pa nga susulot. Ang mag-hold sa camera. Tapos, Ano man to? Ito guys. Ito. Daming laman. Ito pa. Ito pa guys. Ang dami. Mga adapter. Ano man to? Ito pa guys. Iwan ko ano man to. Remote para i-click niyo mag-picture ka guys. Oh, remote. Bluetooth. I think this is Bluetooth. Oh, mayroong Bluetooth guys. Oh, Bluetooth remote to control phone wirelessly. Then includes the light reflector. Ito guys. Oh. At marami pang iba. Ito, dami accessories. So, yun na yun. At itong bag. Handy ang bag na ito. Hindi ko na mawibalik yung ano. Maliit lang pala guys. Oh, ang liit. Ang gusto ko yung malaki. At ito ang kanyang itong tiil niya guys. So, symbol natin. Yan, sa gilid. Hindi ko kayo kita guys. Sobrang hanap. Wala akong glasses. Ito, charan! Paano man ito gagawin? Anong gagawin dito guys? Ay, ganun lang pa. What? Ah, okay. Ito pala ang paluag. Okay. Yan pala guys. Yan, tumindog na guys. It's very baratuhon. very cheap looking. Baratuhon ra guys. And then atong butangan og kuan para sa phone. Ito. Ang dami ba nito? Okay, let's do this. Paano yan? I-connect. Paano ito i-connect? Oh, goodness. May ano pala, guys. Ano naman to, eh? Hindi marunong. So, ayan, guys. Tapos na akong mag-assemble. Yan. I-try natin. Try natin pag ilawin natin, guys, kung maganda ba. So, subukan natin, guys. Ito, naka-on na tong ito, ano to, remote. May ano siya, on button. Wow! May pakulay-kulay to guys. Yan, sumiga-siga. Yan guys. Oh, ilagay natin ang ating cellphone. So, ayan guys, ayan ang ating itsura. May pailaw-ilaw. Ilaw-ilaw. Yan, maliwanag ang buhay. Okay kayo. Wow. Try ko yung cellphone ko, guys. So, ayan guys, ang itsura. My God, never mind sa mga kalat dyan sa lamisa, guys. Yan. Paano ba ito? Ang hirap. Mangit-ngit. Charan! Look at that, Johnny boy.
Wow.
Look at yourself.
Oh, I can feel that heat coming off it or something.
Heat?
Maybe not. It's just hot in here. Oh,
So,
okay.
that's it.
So,
That's how it look like, guys. So, yan. Lumipad ang cellphone. Charan! Johnny boy, mag-live ceiling na ka, Johnny boy.
Does it shine on there? Shine it onto the wall. Well, it makes me light up.
Yeah, good.
Put it on the wall.
Darling, the cord will not. Yeah, facing that way.
I can see that.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's lighting that up.
Are you sure? I need my glasses. I can't see
I
far.
can see. Well, it certainly lights up. You reckon?
Yeah? Yeah, that's it. Next, I will assemble the garment racks. Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Johnny's doing live.
Not really. What's this here? The switch, is it?
Yeah, on and off. I don't know how to change the color, but I need the white one anyway.
Yeah, you can see it's throwing the shadow behind me.
Yeah? Are you...
Yeah, it's aimed at your face, isn't it?
I need my glasses. Guys, ito ang next nating i-assemble. Yung clothes rack or garments rack. Rack. Rack, Jud. Let's assemble this. We'll see if we know. I know how to do. Guys, walang instruction. Ano gagawin dito, guys? So, isa lang ang natapos namin, guys. Kasi nasayop ang pagbutang dito. Ito siya nandun sa ilalim. So, inulit namin. Kaya isa lang ang natapos at bukas na siguro yan. Bukas ko na yan tapusin yung dalawa. Kasi magluluto na ako ng hapunan. Malapit na alas 5. So, yan. Ready na ang isa, guys. Magluto muna ako ng hapunan. So, guys, simula na akong magluto ng chicken curry. Johnny's favorite. Yan ang mga ingredients ko, guys. Oh. Yan, daming ingredients. At ang banana ko, guys, nalalata na. Yan, Johnny doesn't eat it all.
One for breakfast, yes.
So, I'm
I'll get one ready
doing the
for breakfast.
curry now. Let's cook, guys.
One for tomorrow.
So, initin itong powder, tapos oil, tapos onion and garlic and ginger. I think I already have video of cooking curry. Guys, Johnny is funny. He said, "What's that apple doing?" Apple? That is red potato. Red apple. My goodness, Johnny boy. Nalulubat na kayo guys. Continue ko na ito luto ko. So, ayan na guys. Nalagay ko na lahat. The chicken curry. Enough for the whole platoon. Yan, ang dami niyan guys. Pag nagluto ako guys, marami talaga para one time luto for a week. Good for 1 week. Johnny boy?
I'll be happy. I like it.
So guys, dito ko natapusin ang aking video kasi malulubat na ang camera. Look at Johnny, Mr. Cool. Why are you wearing shades?
Well, it gets quite glary out here in the late afternoon. Although the sun's pretty much gone now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's it guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aking video today. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. And watch out for my new business guys. Sana bibili kayo.